Want to know how to change your progress bar color in Kotlin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. I'm going to show you in Kotlin Playground as well as give you some tips on Kotlin Android as well. So first up, go to kotlinline.org and then head towards play on the top right and then select Playground. Now once you're there, just simply clear out any code and then you can just simply type in and copy this code right here. Now this is just a simulation and it is not an actual legit version, but you can also do the same in the Android app. You can use XML and you can use the same function and the same kind of program in order to change progress bar colors. And that's it. Now you have already gotten the concept. Now you can implement it also in your Android Studio and in Kotlin Android or any other application. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.